Hello everyone and welcome to our another video. Manchester United manager Ralf Rangnick has talked with Haaland's father for a move to Manchester United. Manchester United coach has reportedly held talks with Haaland's father over a proposed 68 million move to Manchester United in 2022. After scoring 29 times from his 27 outings for Red Bull Salzburg, Haaland was linked with a move to Manchester United. This came ahead of the winter transfer window in 2019-20. The forward eventually opted to sign for Borussia Dortmund and they paid around 17 million to sign him. The 21-year-old has been in a prolific form for the Bundesliga outfit. He has scored 76 goals from just 74 matches across all competition. Haaland is expected to leave Dortmund next summer as his 68 million release clause will become active. Manchester News are now reporting that manager has recently held talks with Haaland's father in an attempt to entice his son to join Manchester United. Ralf Rangnick, who is the coach of Man United, is said to have a good relationship with Haaland's father. This goes back to the 2018 as the United interim boss helped secure Haaland a move to Red Bull Salzburg from Molde. Manchester United are also interested in signing Haaland. Manchester United could be about to secure the signature of one of the most coveted strikers in Europe. Interim boss Ralf Rangnick is now personally leading the charge to bring the Norwegian in and has even spoken to Haaland's father. According to Manchester News, the Red Devils are going to trigger the Norwegian's release clause which comes into effect in the 2022 summer transfer window. Haaland is available for 75 million or 64 million and has been linked to many of Europe's biggest clubs. Should the club secure the 21-year-old service, it would be a major and one that could be likely given the relationships Erling's father has with Ralf Rangnick. They worked together when the latter was sporting director at RB Salzburg and oversaw Erling's moves to the club from Molde in 2018. Manchester United are also interested that they would sign Erling Haaland at Old Trafford and have a combined strikers position like Cristiano Ronaldo, Erling Haaland, Jadon Sancho. Manchester United fans have one big Erling Haaland concern as Ralf Rangnick pushes for transfer. Manchester United fans are hopeful the latest Erling Haaland update could be good news for them, although they have expressed one major concern. Ralf Rangnick is pushing for United to sign the Dortmund striker Erling Haaland for Manchester United till 2022. United earmarked Haaland as their striker priority last season, having been close to the landing him 2 years ago before he chose Dortmund, and are determined to add him to their ranks ahead of next season. Real Madrid, Barcelona, Bayern Munich and Manchester City are all expected to be in the running, but Rangnick is looking to steal an early match on United's rival. This news has understandably been greeted with excitement from United fans, while others are a little more doubtful the club will be able to get a deal done.